Hi guys, so welcome to Busflix. So I don't do this kind of videos at all, but I thought this is very important issue what's going on with the beer biceps and Samay Raina. So I'm obviously hiding a face using a filter because there are some pseudo feminists, there are some fake influencers who are just doing this shit for the views, and I'll tell you exactly how. So basically, I'm not saying beer biceps is not wrong. I'm not saying the parent joke was not wrong. It was wrong, and he have apologized for this. And people want him to die. I think basically, as per my perspective, as everyone is pointing और सब दूध के दूल्हे हैं. So all these influencers, feminists, aunties, politicians raising the voice over Samay Raina and Beer Bicep. Where were you guys when there was a protest happening? Naked protest was going on in Manipur, and nobody raised a voice against that. Nobody made a reel about it. Nobody made a video about it, and that's fair for them. And this is a bigger concern. Nobody was there when a politician openly threatening people of a particular religion, threatening people openly and telling we will rape you, we'll rape your औरत and सब बोल रहा था वो. वेयर वर यू गाइस? तभी आपका ईमान नहीं जागा, तभी आपकी आंटीज फेमिनिस्ट वो नहीं जागी. एंड ही हैव अपोलोजाइज्ड फॉर इट. We are for the sake of views, attention, reach, everyone is jumping inside this topic. कॉमेडी को कॉमेडी की तरह ही लें. वो कॉमेडी बोल के कॉमेडी कर रहा है, आपको प्रॉब्लम है. इतने सालों से टीवी न्यूज़ एंकर्स स्प्रेडिंग फेक न्यूज़, नोबडी रेज्ड अ वॉइस. किसी ने इतना हल्ला नहीं मचाया. दैट इज़ फाइन फॉर यू. लिटरली गालियां दे रहे हैं, लोगों को मार रहे हैं टीवी चैनल्स पे. दैट इज़ फाइन फॉर यू, बट दिस इज़ नॉट फाइन. अ जोक in a comedy show. And exactly what happened with Tanmay during the AIB now happening with Samay Raina. But I will always support him. I always love him. Samay Raina, what he have done for his parents, nobody know what's the reality of him. And I don't know him personally, but I feel he's a genuine guy, and this is a silly joke and it should be taken as a joke. So this feminist, pseudo feminist or whatever, don't try to make this as big topic. If you अगर आपको इतनी ही प्रॉब्लम है इस सोसाइटी को ठीक करने में, अगर इतनी ही आपको चिंता है सोसाइटी को बदलने में, सोसाइटी की केयर करने में, प्लीज़ गो इनटू द स्लम्स. And whoever go fund their education, fund their homes, fund for their food, do whatever. Those are all the bigger topics. Those are all the bigger actual issues what are happening in India. But these silly joke of his, I'm not saying it's silly, it is wrong. Okay, it is wrong. But this is not a big issue, and don't make it a big issue. Political parties, they know. You guys know. You guys are mature enough. Why they're raising a voice, why they want to be in the spotlight. But there is a level of humanity. If same thing for example, the rebel kid cracked a joke about vagina to a guy and all that. Nobody has any objection about it. Nobody has a single comment. Everyone is saying, oh, what a reply, savage reply, blah blah blah. But the same thing, same level ka joke, as if a man cracks, that's a bigger issue for you guys. Nobody questioning about the rebel kid, but everyone eating beer biceps ka head. And Samay, because of this India's Got Latent, he gave so many artists, so many blind artists, so many mentally ill artists like crazy. He gave so many opportunities through this show, and we had so many honest. He have made everyone laugh in his show. Everybody, the no there was no age gap. Everyone has attended the show. Even the kids have come with their parents. They have come on the stage. They have laughed. They have cracked jokes, and God knows who these people are commenting on his page or giving टिप्पणीज all over. ये घर पे बैठ के पीछे क्या क्या जोक्स करते हैं किसको पता है. Nobody knows. So please guys, don't fall for into this trap. There is bigger issues in this world, in this country. Please focus on that rather than this. It's a comedy show. Take it as a comedy show. Don't get manipulated from this aunties, feminists, reels बना कुछ नहीं, बकवास है. About it, please comment and we will discuss it. But think about it what I'm saying and please let me know.